everyone, and today I'll show you how to make a McDonald's chips out of plasticine. All you need is a piece of red plasticine and a piece of yellow plasticine. Take the piece of red plasticine. You see your thumbs and press them down on the red plasticine. Make it wide and flat. Put them aside. And then take the yellow piece and cut out of it a few strings. Take out of it a piece and then roll it into a string like this. No need to make them even, because in the end it has to look like chips. You put them together. And when you're done making a row, which is about 4-5, you can make a bow. Okay, if you're done combining the chips, then put them on the red piece. Don't put them until the end, because then no one can see the chips. And then push them down on the red, and then close the red on the yellow. Then push it down on the yellow chips. Flip it over, and you got your box. If you want, you can make it wider. Now we're going to make the M. First of all, take it from the piece of yellow 2 strings. Don't make them too wide, actually make them skinny. Now, you bend the skinny piece and you got one. Then you do the exact same thing on the other one. After that, you combine this bent piece with each other. You got the M. And now, you put it above, not too next to the chips, and now doesn't this look tasty? If I can do it, you can do it.